Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be kind of a vlog style of video because I made a purchase. I kind of want to go over it with you guys. I saw a tweet go viral on Twitter about a makeup fridge. It was called the makeup fridge, and I decided I want a makeup fridge. But the actual makeup fridge that I saw was completely sold out, or the website might have been a scam. I honestly have no idea, but I decided to fall down the rabbit hole of Amazon Prime and micro fridges, which I didn't even know existed until now, and I ended up buying one. You might be able to hear something faintly running in the distance, and that is my micro fridge, which is now my skincare fridge, like I need it. You know, this might have been an impulse buy, but I think there is a really cool actual use for it. So if you guys want to see my micro fridge and see what I have in it, then just keep on watching. So here it is, my makeup fridge. I actually turned it off for this portion of the video so that the humming is not in the background, but I got mine in pink. I believe mine was $44 off of Amazon Prime. I will have it linked, of course, if you guys are interested. My initial plan was to fit it on my lack shelf from IKEA, but it's a little bit too tall. It is tiny, such a tiny fridge, but it just doesn't happen to fit in my lack shelf. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up and reveal what I have going on in here. I really do think it's the cutest thing ever. Obviously, skincare and makeup and anything that you want to be cool, you can put in your regular fridge, but if you don't feel like sharing, or you feel like somebody in your household might use it, or you just want to be bougie, I think that's why this little thing was invented, or for like dorm rooms and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and share what I have in here. The most important thing that I have in here is my LUSH face mask. And these have to be refrigerated, so that's why this is in here, because if not, it will go bad. I also have a sleeping mask from Glow Recipe. This is the watermelon sleeping mask. I feel like any kind of products that are gel related or made to be like a gel consistency feel really nice when they're cold. So that's kind of what I was going for by putting that in there. And I also have another mask that I use as a sleeping mask. It's from Summer Fridays, and I also like to apply that when it's cold. Everything in here is so cool. Like, this thing actually works phenomenally. It would definitely cool your drinks if you were going to the beach. But also in the back of the fridge here, I have two products from Drunk Elephant. I have the Shaba Complex Eye Serum, which I love to apply before bed, and I wanted to again try that cold, and I feel like it just gives my eyes a very depuffed, refreshed feeling. I learned that vitamin C products work better in a cool environment because after they get to a certain temperature, they stop working altogether. So I put my Drunk Elephant Day Serum that has vitamin C in here, just in the hopes that I can extend the life of it. Unfortunately, one of the things that I was looking forward to putting in here the most was setting spray, and most of my setting sprays do not fit in here. So my travel size ones might, but so far the only one that I could find that would really fit in here is this mini Makeup Forever one, which it's okay. I don't feel like I need all of my setting sprays to be cold, but if I can find one of my favorites in a tiny size, it's definitely going in here, because that would be so refreshing and nice, especially in the summer when it's so hot outside and so hot in this filming room. And then I also love that this little fridge has a little pocket in the door. I obviously am making the most out of any space that I have in here. I can definitely stand to fit some more things in the bottom, but I wanted to fill up this door space. So right now I have another watermelon product from Glow Recipe. This is their sheet mask, and again, I feel like along the lines of the gel products, I feel like this is going to feel so good on the skin at night, being cold rather than just like straight out of the pack. Even though sometimes they're cooling on their own, I feel like this is just going to give it a little extra something. And then I have another eye cream. This one is from First Aid Beauty. I have not tried this. I believe it might be new, but I feel like anything with this kind of tube packaging fits really nicely in this little pocket. So I also put my Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer Balm in here. So I know this might seem really crazy to some people, but I had to do it. I just fell down the rabbit hole. Like I said, I needed this in my life, and I'm actually really happy to have it. I feel like it's such a cool thing, especially for my LUSH face masks. If I have enough of them, I feel like I could definitely stack 4 of them probably on that upper shelf. This specific brand that I ended up getting, I believe, came in a bunch of different colors as well. I think they had light blue. They definitely had a cow print one, which I saw on Urban Outfitters. This is the same one from Urban Outfitters, but I got this off of Amazon and it might be a little bit cheaper on Amazon. This is the switch in the back. I just turned it back on to cold, but as you can see, it also has the warming mode and it has a fan in the back that you don't want to block. And so I have it plugged into a wall outlet right now, but something funny is that you can actually put this in your car and you can power it with a car charger, which is hilarious because you can put this little thing in your back seat and take drinks to the beach, which is probably the initial purpose of this cooler. There's definitely probably more purposes and more makeup or more skincare that I could put in there and benefit from having this little fridge, but I just think it's really cute. It's a nice new addition to my beauty room, and I thought it would be really fun to share it with you guys and let you know what I have in mind. But I think that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it and you want more little videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you subscribe to see more videos from me every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday over here on my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. That's where I hang out the most when I'm not over here uploading on YouTube. But that's all that I have to say today about my little makeup fridge. Hopefully you guys have an amazing day, and hopefully I see you all in my next video. Bye.